How to fix sound problem on your Crunchyroll. What's up guys? If you have sound problem, going to show you how to fix it and solve it. Let's do it. Open guys the settings of your phone, click at apps option and search for Crunchyroll and click. Scroll down this list, click storage, click clear cache now and then back. Click on for stop and click OK. Go directly here to Play Store or App Store and update Crunchyroll. Now you should restart your device and then your problem will be fixed. So hopefully don't forget to like and subscribe in this channel and see you next video.